Hello guys, welcome to Air Tech 786 YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you that how to download or how to save Instagram reel videos in your mobile phone and your gallery. So before starting this video, I request you guys please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any tech information. So let's check it out. Go to Instagram. Now these are some reels video. For example, before opening these reel video, I will tell you that which application you need to download first. This application is must. You need to download Instack downloader from Play Store. Instack downloader from Play Store. Here you can download it. Instack downloader from Play Store. Instack downloader video. Here you can find many, but you have to download this one. I told you that this one you have to download. Instack downloader version 1.2 1.03. You must download this for downloading those videos. Let's check it out first. For example, these are videos. First of all, you have to click three dots. Click share. After sharing this, you have to click copy link. After copying link, you need to open Instack downloader video. Now wait. See, it's being downloaded. Download complete. Now it's saved in your gallery. You can get it from in your gallery. This video is saved in your gallery. Check it out. This video I have downloaded now. This is saved in your gallery. It's so easy to download, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you.